Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tony's phone collection. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of a phone I picked up on eBay, of course. As you tell, it is another Alltel phone. I already have one like this. It's in really good shape and everything. But this one has a box that is kind of broken. But that's fine. Let's take a look and see what we got. Doesn't look like it has the tray or anything. It's just kind of thrown in there. Kind of sucks, but it is what it is. I got an OEM Samsung charger. Owner's manual. A little Alltel book in there somewhere. And let's take a look in here. There it is. It actually still has the wrapper on it, so this one's actually in better shape than the other one I have. So there's a wrapper on the inside. Looks to be dead. I want to plug it in real quick though. Right over here, let's give it a plug in, see if it works. I imagine it does. Move the page over there so I don't show my information. There you go. I'll turn it on. Looks like it's gonna have to charge a while, maybe. Maybe it's booting up. Oh, it is turning on, maybe. Let me take the tripod off real quick. So there you go. Looks to be fully working. In excellent shape, as you can tell. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one.